Hello, Mr. Kelly here with some Electoral College vocabulary. There's only 2 words, but both words are very important in understanding the Electoral College. First word, elector. A person chosen by the state's political parties to elect the president and vice president. So each political party chooses electors, and generally this is a reward. Maybe somebody donates a lot of time and energy to a political party or a lot of money to a political party, and so they get this reward of being an elector. So all the citizens go to vote for the president in November on election day. The electors will then meet a month later in December, and they will cast the official vote for the president and vice president. Maybe that helps you to remember the electors elect the president. So you got the word elect inside of the word elector. Another important aspect about electors is that the number of electors from each state depends on the number of people in Congress from that state. So Virginia, we have 2 senators, just like every state, and we also have 11 representatives, which is based on population. So 2 plus 11 equals 13. So Virginia gets 13 electoral votes towards the president and vice president. All right, the second word, it's a little bit easier to understand, the popular vote. When you think popular, think people. They both start with the letter P, popular people. The popular vote is the number of votes each candidate gets directly from the citizens. So in Virginia, the total number of registered voters is about 5.7 million. So the total popular vote in Virginia could never be above that number. Popular vote.